democracy carry problem go. This country, Nigeria map, Jesus. These are the problems of this country. My friend, Camera, will you put that thing back here? Oh my God. Wow. Excellency, you didn't see it though. No, Excellency, I'm not like that though. It's just that sometimes some things you don't plan, it just happen. You know? Go see, be careful. Where was I? Hey. That person confused me. I remember the first joke. Seriously, we have a very big problem. We don't talk about before. Nobody only one man will change this country. All of us get to change this country. It's very hard saying that we don't divide ourselves across political lines. The last election, the way it happened, we still did the hangover of PDP, APC, PDP, APC. So they, even for church, they separate party members. I don't know what church of what shall they come. Welcome to church, bless you. PDP, APC. It's a PDP. Oh, this one, this one. All right, come. Bless you. Welcome to church. PDP, APC, APC. Okay, this one, this one. Now for that church, I find out say, forget this, we have 26 parties, I be 23. I lie. We have 2 political parties. The others can get together. Oh, what? PDP, APC? No. Which one? ABGA. What? ABGA. 6 years. All right, now, PDP, APC? They say no. Which one? Labour. What? Labour. Can you remember this ABGA guy here? All right, I come from the worst parties. PDP, APC? The guy said no. Labour? No. ABGA? No. Which one? NACYA. NACYA, we are only 26. Go to Children Church, I beg. This political division is so bad. So then, even men, when they carry Ashawo too has been divided across political lines. Somebody tries to say, yes, Ashawo, come. Ashawo said, if you believe you are APC. You guys say, no, I'm APC, no, and then they follow APC. Felicia, come see with people. It's a problem. That's what I see, they love Ashawo. Now, but seriously, it's a problem. Nigeria need fixing. Me, I will talk about the things we need to fix our entertainment industry. Thank God, Nollywood people, they're plenty here. Nollywood, I don't tire for that problem. And actors are the fifth one, because you will see when they will give them one script to act one movie. Then you will surprise that movie will come out in 16 parts. You will see the first movie, Blood of My Father, part 1 and 2. You will see Return of the Blood of My Father, part 1 and 2. The man who spilled the blood of my father, we have found him, part 1 and 2. The reason why the man spilled the blood of my father, part 1 and 2. Why will nobody spill the blood of my father and I will not spill him at part 1 and 2? 18 parts of come and do that. But what's it annoying me that the trailers, you will see foreign movie. If the storyline that say one man and a wife in a hustle, as in a hustle, they don't hammer. When they don't hammer, money can spoil the man begin follow women, begin cheat on the wife, which is not good. Before you know, he come broke. As he come broke, he come poor, and the wife come revival. You give her to Hollywood to give the trailer. You go just say, when a man betrays the love of his dear wife, things are about to get ugly. Watch out for a woman's come, October 2015. Nigeria, come give them to Shekwa and Reason. Look in the verse all of them. James met Jennifer in university. James was studying architecture, Jennifer was studying marketing. Before you know, they went to NYSC together. Before you know, they have hustled together. Now they are living in Lagos, struggling. And one day, James was walking along Anthony's side. He met his friend in secondary school, Frederick. Frederick said, James, it's been a long time I saw you. The next thing they shook hands. James gave him his complimentary card. Before you know, Fred gave James contract. James now has money. Before you know, James moved to Lekki in a very big house that he bought for himself. All of a sudden, James started to cheat on his wife. Started following women like Ngozi, Felicia, Jennifer, my girl's sister, and everybody. Before you know what happened, he has finished his money. Oh, what now happened? The wife. Thank God she had a small saloon that she was using to support the family. Now, before you know what is happening, she managed to build the home back, and James has now repented of his evil ways. The moral of this story is, do not cheat on your wife, even though you people struggle together. Grab your copy now. Let's see the rest to watch. Nigerian people will get problem. Nigerian musicians, their own problem and bad pass. Illiteracy is a problem. The video, I told my young person, bad over this. I get 2 million for my account, not the asset. That means my liability. That means the video they actually owe. I do not tell them, I don't buy jet. Now run, you won't run. Who will you want to go collect that? That's what you can see. From that thing, me and three, Utari always. Now, we don't want to fall. I don't dribble everybody. Nobody defend around me. Techno, sing the other one. Maybe, in fact, Techno, I'm not a Chris. You behave like a fool. Maybe when I see you, your beauty be like Nepa. When I bring the light on, my sister, hi, there is a no Nepa. Maybe, I want to touch your spaghetti. What is a spaghetti for my body? The more they are best in Nigerian musicians, once they get more heat, you don't become their kind name. As maybe somebody like YC now, YC will introduce himself. Yo, it's your boy YC, aka Mr. Jagapa, aka Who's Your Daddy, aka Omar Lachi. See Dr. Sid. As I see there now, ask Allah, yo, it's your boy Dr. Sid, aka Mr. Surulere, aka Bob Something, aka Nawao. So how you will feel if you meet Jay-Z tomorrow now? I say, yo, it's your boy Young Ho, Jay-Z, aka Mr. 99 Problem, aka Mr. King Daddy from Shoulder, aka Mega Empire State Building, aka Waiting, Holy Green. Or you meet Rihanna tomorrow, it's your girl Rihanna, aka Umbrella, aka It's Loving That You Want, aka Shut Up and Drive, aka Bitch Got My Money, aka Walk, aka... This is so far. Let me look quick and go, because you should see many. Another area we need to look into is football. Find out here. What are you here? Yeah, even among the problem you too. Because the place, as when I play ball, I'm not doing small English tutorial. Okachachana is still getting accent. But Okachachana is good. Simplification is the worst. Simplification, they get like 4 assets in one sentence. No, think what it is when you go see Keshe, you say, yeah, we just gotta make the players come on camp, and we got to make them understand that it's inside one sentence. Then the word I don't say about that when America, when we win, what year was that? 2013? 2013 when we win Nations Cup. When the man interviewed America, say, oh, Emmanuel America, how do you feel about the victory of the Super Eagles? In life, we just thank God for everything. Even though many people back home didn't believe it. But thank God. It's all the girl who knows that again power rich. All these wicked super small South African girls. On their microphone. So what does this mean for the development of soccer vis-a-vis via the South Korea pursue to the grassroots development initiative, making sure that we have football coming to the bar of the World Economic Global Index, making sure that sports cannot be parallelogram of national geography.
Oh my God!
You just have to thank God every time. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
My name is your YAW, the Juliana City, taking our opinion, listen to my DJ.